What I'm going to show you is something that they've been doing the whole season, right? Even their last game they did it, right? I'm going to show you what they did against Imarumo, and if they concede this way, then I don't know Guti, what are these coaches watching? Huh? Marumo Gallants versus Pirates. Marumo winner, right? This was a bad press, and it okay sharp. Quality team, like I said, we don't press in front. Long pass, long diagonal pass. This is what they do. This is what they do. The Pirates, they don't mind playing a long diagonal pass. And if you are playing a low block or an press or an Emile, they don't mind playing it. They did it against Imarumo. Even the goal, I'll show you the goal now. They don't mind. This team doesn't mind. Let me show you a different angle. A different angle. But you cannot have Uhoto running down as a left winger, running down the right back. No, you can't, because now this is Uhoto left back. This is the right back. Now this is the left winger, Pirates. You understand? Now it's like 2 against 1. If you don't win the first ball, it's okay. You have to win the second ball, because if you don't win the second ball, you're in trouble. You are in trouble. Now let me show you the goal. Not Axis Katesite. Let me show you the goal. In this game they didn't land. In 2 minutes they did it by 2. Now watch. Ba. Hoto. Cross. Inside. Nyapinda foot. If you don't win the first ball, it's okay. It's okay. But the second ball, you have to win it, because we are in trouble. You are going to be in trouble. You cannot let, yes, they're going to play a diagonal pass. They are going to play it. If you jump, let's say I'm the right back, whoever is picking up Uhoto. If I jump, I have to win it. For a throw in or whoopie. It must not come inside. That ball must not come inside. One more clip. The last game, Durban City versus Orlando Pirates. Hoto was not playing. So if Hoto does not play, they are not going to play diagonal pass to the left back, because that I don't know his name. That boy is not that tall. He's not good in the air.